Good day, everyone. Yeah, we are actually here in Osaka. The time now is 8:45 in the morning. Yeah, it is quiet. Where I am heading is actually in the Starbucks. Yeah, I'm going to sit down there, have a coffee, have a breakfast, and I'm going to charge this camera. Yeah, I prefer to do that in the Starbucks because yeah, they have facilities to do those things and to do my computer things. This is a one-way lane, small road. It means that a long time ago, they did not able to prepare this. They are not expecting this to become a big city. So they did not able to make a wide road. So as we are walking around here, you notice that there are lots of shops and restaurants, but like what I said, they are still closed, except the convenience store. This is probably the main road here in Osaka. Yeah, because yeah, the buildings, they are modern, wide road, and yeah, actually behind these modern buildings are the old buildings with one-way lane road. Oh, I found a Starbucks. We are going there. So I got this Americano, long black in Australia, and this sugar donut. I want to eat it with a spoon and fork, but it's like this. This coffee and this donut cost me 771 yen. And I am now here in one of the cafe. Yeah, here in the train station. I forgot the name of the place, but it's still in the Osaka city center. And I bought this. Oh, I'm here at the train station. Shinshibashi, the name of the station. And I'm actually observing the people, how they are using how they are able to get inside and get outside. And I realized that they are actually using taking a ticket from the ticket machine. And some people, they are just using their phone. We are able to get inside using the Apple Wallet with the Suica IC card. Yeah, very nice. And with so many letters, different letters, English and Japanese letters, it is confusing to see all the sign. Yeah, and I was actually getting out at the entrance of that IC. Yeah, and so it did not work. I checked and it's entrance, so I moved to the other exit. And now we are back here at the road. Yeah, so basically I am in the wrong station. We are now going to the correct station. So as you can see, this is the Shinshibashi Station. And when you're here, you're going to realize that all these buildings, all these roads, under this is a different way going to different places around the area. So it's like an underground shopping center, underground supermarket. Yeah, underground, really nice. I don't know how big, maybe bigger than Sydney, I'm not sure. Probably Western Plaza or W Hotel. Over that side there is the Tesla, and then here there's Ferrari. Oh, look at that, there is like a multi-level flyover. And we are now here in the Chu line. Yeah, the green one. Little by little I am understanding. Yeah, it's always like that, always difficult in the beginning, especially if you're in a new place. Yeah, we get down here in Osaku Station. You know, very convenient using the IC card. I mean, because there are some people, they need to go to the machine and buy the ticket. And we are here. Yeah, this feels small, a little bit of a suburban area, but yeah, like a new town, something like that. Not the main center. Oh, I am tempted to eat. Actually, no. To keep on walking. Train station over there. And yeah, there are several shops, restaurants around here. You know, I was able to use that machine yesterday and was using a very small coins. And those coins actually costing around 100 something. 110, 30. Yeah, and they are coins. I am not really sure about the money because I already got the 2 pieces of 1,000 yen. Probably that's the smallest amount of money they have, the 1,000, I mean paper money, the 1,000 Japanese yen. Oh, we are actually heading to that Ferris wheel. You know, walking around, yeah, I've seen a lot of group, their family for sure. Also group of friends, also lots of lovers walking around, touring. And you know, the walking traffic light here, actually a long time. If you know, in Sydney, just 7 seconds. Legoland. And you know, it is difficult to identify the different Asian looking people, you know. They could be Chinese, they could be Japanese, and they could be Korean, yeah, Taiwanese also. But it's actually easy for me to identify the Filipino. Look at those kids. Yeah, their teacher is actually a white one, so they speak English for sure. So basically, here near that, wow, that's Ferris wheel is very big, actually. So there are several, service facilities in here. I mean, entertainment facilities and things to do here. Yeah, just like that Osaka Aquarium, Kaiyukan. Oh, I'm not going there. If I'm going to do something, that is to, I'm not sure. Yeah, to actually see the Ferris wheel, to see the whole Osaka. Oh, there's a bridge over there. Let's go have a look. This is how it is. Yeah, so Bay Area, and yeah, there's a lot of cranes over the other side. Yeah, and then there is this ship, Scenic Eclipse Nassau. Yeah, it's a cruise ship, not too big. Maybe half of those international cruise ship that we always see in Sydney. And you know, actually yesterday coming from the airport, yeah, I took a bus coming from the airport, and it took the kind of expressway, but it's kind of flyover. Yeah, and along the way I've seen a lot of kind of industrial area. Oh, basically the airport is an island. Maybe that is also a man-made island. I'm not sure. Yeah, so we are passing through the road, the flyover expressway kind, and I don't see much trees. Yeah, what I've seen are all just the rooftops of the buildings, and so I did not see a lot of trees. I don't know, probably just because I don't see it, but yeah, actually even here, down here, I don't see much trees. Oh, it is actually summer here in Japan these days, but temperature is just okay. Yeah, same to Australia, same with Australia's temperature. Not hot, not humid, just nice. If I am going to buy something, it is going to be a cup that is Australian brand, no, that is a Japanese brand or made in Japan. I don't just buy things just because of the brand, just because of its looks, but it should be the one that I like. Oh, there's KFC here. Oh, they don't have snack box. We'll see if I can afford to ride the giant Ferris wheel. Let's get out. And I just bought a ticket to ride the Ferris wheel. Yeah, I'm actually using this kind of card. You can buy this card in physical card, and you can only just download it from your Apple Pay wallet. Yeah. And then add money from your other cards, from your country's card. Yeah. And at the moment, I have 3,390 Japanese yen. And I am now here. Yeah, very nice. This is the 900 yen. And the other carriage, actually, the see-through one without this green thing, is more expensive, $10 more expensive. It is a little noisy in here because of the AC. Oh, there is a attraction over there, roller coaster, kind of a theme park. There is also a castle. Oh yeah, but it's on the other side of the river. That's where I've been, from those high buildings. Oh, we are now in the highest part of this gondola, of this Ferris wheel. Yeah, and you can see everything here. Yeah, so basically that area is the kind of the center of Osaka. All the high-rise apartment buildings, offices, and then scattered some high-rise in different area. Thank you. Thank you very much. Very nice. That's actually about 15 minutes of being in the Ferris wheel. Yeah, nice. Then I'm going back to the train station, and then yeah, my destination is actually the very last station, which is the World Expo 2025.